Here you been asking about me, where I've been and where I sleep. It's hard to find me if you really want to. Turns past that takes a cool sign. Same bobcat, same moon boots, trying to outrun the thought of you. But in this town the truth don't stop. You can't live in a town this small. You can change your mind but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't live in a town this small. I moved on but not too far, just down the road.
Salamat. Thank you. Dali lang siya guro sa cellphone. Dala ka lang sa first?
Dara na. Sige, dara lang. Nami ka rin na tawhay.
Okay. Dala ka sa kilid. Thank you. Sige, ikaw sa kilid na yun. Iso.
God is so good talaga na kaya pa ni tatay na sumakay ng boat na despite sometimes hindi okay yung condition niya. God is great talaga. And yung boat pala ha, meron kayong option na pwede kayo sumakay sa boat na merong aircon at boat naman na wala. Ipapunta kayo ng Guimaras.
Sigan.
You can change your hair, change your street, but you cannot run the memories. Nah, I ain't mad, I just laugh sometimes. How love can fade, but this town stays mine. I say small towns, just don't forget. I guess you're right about that. You can change your mind, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving fast. You can change my name in your phone. You can't live in a town this small. Every red light still knows your car. Every Porsche light still breaks my heart. You can back it up, girl, burn it all. You can't live in a town this small. I don't go too far when it's written in the counting stars. I try leaving, tried it all. You can't live in a town this small. Yeah.
Wala. Kaya mo na makakantuan man. Tabang-tabangan. Amo nga sa ako labasa na nga ng tapo na yun. Kung tag-50 kurong kilo.
Makabatihin na. Sino yung Audi na, tay? Sino yung Audi?
Si Aude, Choy. Oh, nan.
You can change your mind but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't live in a town this small.
Sinoy Dante, tay? Sinoy Dante? Nalagaw na namon, eh. Sinoy Dante, Bak, sikapan sa kalaban. Bungol-bungol kawan, eh.
Oh, ninis mo na tansya. Nini rin eh. Bungo lagi dyan.
Hindi ba siya taas, gid? Beto nga, or siya. Kilid, gid, eh.
This tradition na pinag-held yung Flores de Mayo sa ancestral house ni nanay ay nagsimula pa noong buhay pa sina lola at lolo. So, after how many decades na ito na pinagsa-celebrate ng family. And then, so family ngayon, yung nagko-continue ng celebration, si Tioy Dudoy, which is the youngest brother ni nanay. And then, yung wife yan ni si Auntie Lolita, we are thankful na pinagpatuloy pa rin nila ito yung tradition. So, the Flores de Mayo is held every afternoon doon sa bahay. Tapos yung mga bata pumapunta doon around 6 p.m. Then, meron sila konting mga snacks. Then, at the end of the Flores de Mayo, the May 31, yun, meron kaming celebration.
Parang paalam, ganun tinago ka ba?
Ang
Kita ko pa dyan mga tumano na ano, para sa hindi mo na dalon man. Kasi ang doon na to sa ba?
Ang iya tutulog ko na nag-arapin.
Gusto ko. Wait, anong ganito ko?
Nagkaroon ng bilire.
Ano? Oh. Kumusta si ni Grace? Takala na sa bungol ni mo. Sino ka chong ko na bungol? Nagbago na nangalan niya.
Sino na si Chong? Leonard Trio. Ba't daw? Alam mo to na pa yun, ano na naman, gawin yung lain matyang. Yung sa kabati mayo, kanya masagsakan. Nalagay. Diba, bye Chong.
Still knows your car. Every porch light still breaks my heart. You can back it up, girl, burn it all. You can't leave in a town this small. Change your mind and not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this small. Every red light still knows your car. Every porch light still breaks my heart. You can back it up, girl, burn it all. You can't leave in a town this small.
Thank you, Lord, for the safe ride and for the strength you have given kay nanay kag kay tatay. Salamat, Lord.
Sige na. Ako magagagot ang gutom ko. Festive, the new K-Town. Monkey grounds, monkey grounds.
After eating, nag-stroll around lang kami sa festive walk para makapaglakad-lakad sa nanay at tatay. Then, go home naman kasi yung bahay namin malapit lang dito. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for this wonderful day, Lord, for all the blessings and guidance. And thank you everyone for always watching our vlog. Bye!
Please watch our vlog. Thank you.